Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video we will create a program that will find the largest of 5 numbers using C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers to my channel. Thank you for watching all my videos, leaving a comment, suggestions, and most importantly, for those new viewers of my channel by subscribing. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Okay, so we have here 3 library files. This one is for input output, line number 2, IO stream. And then for determining the largest number, we are using algorithm header file for min and max. And then array, for array function in C++. As I learned C++, the language itself, with the help of my friend Tom, I was able to discover that there are so many header files or library files in C++ that can be useful in writing programs. It makes our programs simple to read, to write, and to understand. So we have here int main. It is the starting point of every C++ program. It is the starting and ending point. So line number 8, I declare 5 variables that has a data type of int. Variable A, B, C, D, and E. So when we say integer, it refers to a data type that is composed of 0, positive, and negative whole numbers. Line number 10, we have your std console out new line, the \n new line. And then line number 11, we have here the title, largest of 5 numbers in C++, horizontal tab T. Line number 12, new line. And then line number 13 up to 14, we are asking the user to give 5 numbers using cn to accept variable A, B, C, and E. Now, in line number 16, we are using array. This array belongs in this library files array, sharp include array, int and 5. Take note guys that the data type is the same here. So the variable here is full, and then we pass a series of values here, A, B, C, D, and E. Now, next, auto result. Result is a variable that we declare. std min max underscore element, we are using this header file, the algorithm, full, begin, and end. And then here, we just select the largest number. So we have here asterisk, result second, and end of program, new line, and then return. So we have only 25 lines of code. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of the sample program that I wrote. By the way, this code will work on C++ 11, and then I'm using code blocks as my integrated development environment in writing this program. Okay, so let us go to build and run so that we can test our program. Enter 5 numbers. We have example 45, 4, negative 34, 56, and 12. Enter. So the largest number is 56, and a program. Let us run again for the second time around. We have 12, 546, 6, 23, and 1. So the largest number is 546 and a program. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video about largest of 5 numbers in C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will repeat, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.